Will turning off S Mode affect the apps and programs that are currently installed on my device?
Hello there. Today, we are going to discuss a popular question that many Windows users have. Will turning off S Mode affect the apps and programs that are currently installed on my device? S Mode is a feature in Windows 10 that provides added security and performance enhancements, but it also limits your ability to download and install software outside of the Microsoft Store. So let's dive in and explore how turning off S Mode affects your existing apps and programs.
What is S Mode?
S Mode is a version of Windows 10 that prioritizes security and performance. While using S Mode, you can only install apps from the Microsoft Store, thereby reducing the risk of downloading potentially harmful apps. But the downside is that it limits the range of applications you can use, as not all applications are available in the Microsoft Store.
How does turning off S Mode impact your current apps?
Turning off S Mode is a one-time, irreversible action. Once you make this switch, you can't go back to S Mode. But the critical point to note here is that turning off S Mode does not affect the apps and programs that are currently installed on your device. Your current apps will still work as they did before, and you will retain all your files and settings. The significant difference is that, after you leave S Mode, you will be able to install apps from other sources outside the Microsoft Store, which means a wider range of applications will become available to you.
Are there any potential risks?
Now, even though your existing apps will remain unaffected, there are a couple of potential risks associated with leaving S Mode. One is that your PC could become more vulnerable to malware and security threats since you can now install apps from a broader range of sources. Another risk is that the overall performance of your device might slightly degrade over time, because software from outside the Microsoft Store may not be as optimized for your system. However, this will depend on the specific software you choose to install. In conclusion, turning off S Mode will not affect your current apps and programs. However, it is a decision that should not be taken lightly due to the potential security and performance implications. Remember to always download apps and software from trusted sources and keep your system and antivirus software updated to maintain the security of your device. We hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.